Students, as you all know that organisms are divided into two types on the basis of the presence of number of cells, unicellular and multicellular. But further they are also divided into two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, on the basis of the structure of cell or organization of cell. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular and eukaryotic cells are multicellular. Size of cell typically 0.2 to 2.0 micrometer in diameter in prokaryotic cell and 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter in eukaryotic cell. Examples of prokaryotic cells which are unicellular, bacteria and archaea. Animals and plants, eukaryotic cells, nucleus, membrane embedded organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells and present in eukaryotic cells, all the cell organelles. Flagella consist of two protein building blocks and in eukaryotic cells consist of multiple microtubules. Cell wall, it is present and chemically complex structure. And you all know cell wall is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Plasma membrane, usually it is not present in prokaryotic cell, and yes, it is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Cytoplasm, no cytoskeleton or cytoplasmic streaming because no organelles are present in prokaryotic cell. Cytoskeleton is present, cytoplasmic streaming is also present because in cytoplasm all the cell organelles are present. Ribosomes very small in size in prokaryotic cells and larger in eukaryotic cell. Cell division, binary fission and mitosis in eukaryotic cell. Number of chromosomes, 1 but not true chromosome. In eukaryotic cell, more than 1. Sexual reproduction, no meiosis in prokaryotic cell, they have the transfer of DNA fragment. And in eukaryotic cell, it involves meiosis. By this diagram, you can also differentiate between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. This is the prokaryote unicellular organism and this is an animal cell of eukaryote. Now, eukaryotic cells will further divide into two types of cell, animal cell and plant cell. There is also difference between plant cell and animal cell. Other organelles like cell membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus are present in both the cells in plant cell and animal cell. But chloroplast, cell wall and plasmodesmata are absent in animal cells and present in plant cell. Like centrioles, lysosome and centrosomes are only present in animal cells but absent in plant cell.